Hey, what's good guys, it's Zach. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another video. The OnePlus 6 was finally unveiled just a little while ago, so I thought I'd share with you my early first impressions on the latest offering from OnePlus. Alright, so starting off with a quick unboxing, you've got the classic OnePlus presentation here with the white and red colorway. Gotta love that. You of course get the phone, got some manuals, some OnePlus stickers, and a free case. Now taking a look at the phone itself, this is a really nice looking device. It's now got an all glass design, both the back and the front are covered in Gorilla Glass 5. It's super solid and well put together. The phone is comfortable in the hand. I've got what they're calling the mirror black variant right here, which again looks great. And it also comes in midnight black, which is more of a matted glass finish, and silk white, which I would love to get my hands on, wink wink. And if I do get that white variant, I'll probably spice it up a bit with the marble dbrand skin, but until then I'll be using that black camo so I don't have to deal with scratches and fingerprints. On the back we're looking at a dual camera system in a vertical setup, and below that you'll find the fingerprint reader, which has been reshaped. It's no longer a circle. On the left side you'll find the volume rocker and SIM card tray. Right side you've got the power button and alert slider, and on the bottom you've got a speaker, charging port, microphone, and yes, the headphone jack. Nice. Now getting to that display, we're looking at a 6.28-inch full optic AMOLED panel with an 84% screen to body ratio. Obviously OnePlus was looking to cram as much screen into this phone as they could. Enter the notch, which is the current smartphone trend. Personally, I don't mind it too much, but go ahead and let me know how you guys feel about this in the comments. So as far as first impressions go, I'm really liking the new OnePlus 6. I like the design and the route that they went with the all-glass build. There is no wireless charging, which is definitely a bummer, but it's not an absolute deal breaker for me, especially since there's dash charge. The notch, like I said, I don't mind that much, especially since it's not that big of a notch. They kept the headphone jack, which I am happy for, of course. I love Oxygen OS. I think OnePlus handles this very well with the features, fast software updates, the tweaks and customizations you can do, while keeping it as close to pure Android as possible. The display is great, it's bright and punchy, performance is blazing fast out of the box as expected, and honestly I'd expect nothing less of a phone from OnePlus. All in all, it's the classic OnePlus user experience while keeping up with the current design aesthetic. I also wanted to quickly share with you just a couple of the cases that will be available for the 6. I've got the ebony wood case, classic, got that carbon fiber, gotta love that, red silicone, always a favorite, and a new nylon case, which I'm really enjoying so far. Let me know how you guys like the look of this one. Also, OnePlus announced their new pair of wireless earbuds. They're made of aluminum, they're nice and lightweight, they snap together magnetically, which does allow for pausing and unpausing music playing on a OnePlus device. They boast 5 hours of continuous listening time from just 10 minutes of charging, which is sweet, and they have fast charge embedded. So I have yet to fully test these out, but as I do, let me know if you guys would like a full review of these earbuds. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to be putting the OnePlus 6 through my review cycle, which is basically me just using it as a daily driver, and I'll report back with my full thoughts, opinions, and experiences as far as battery life, everyday use, how good these cameras are, dash charging, and perhaps some of the things that I don't like, if anything at all. All that good stuff will be in a video, and that video will be posted to the Android Police channel, where I also make videos in case you guys didn't already know, so subscribe there if you haven't already. Anyway, let me know your first impressions of the new OnePlus 6, and let's talk about them down below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new. I will talk to you guys in the very next video, and thank you all so much for watching.